Tesla began taking bookings for the Model X in February 2012 without declaring cost. The standard Model X required a 5,000 US dollar store, while in restricted time creation signature model required a 40,000 US dollar in store 2013. In excess of 20,000 Model X had been held by September 2014. In August 2015, clients bounces accessed around 30,000 Model X pre-orders had been getting contrasted with 12,000 for the Model S. The initial six Founders Series model were conveyed at a market dispatch occasions in the Fremont manufacturing plant on September 29, 2015. The primary signature version was followed through on December 18, 2015, valuing for the restricted release signature from the Model X differs somewhere in the range of 132,000 US dollar and 144,000 US dollar, while the standard creation variation of the Model X will be estimated at 5,000 US dollar more than a similar prepared AWD Model S that valued US dollar 75,000 more for the base model 70D. After the principal quarters of 2016, all Tesla Model X conveyances had gone to US clients. By the way, in January 2016, a Tesla vehicle other than the Model S was enlisted in Germany, and the Tesla Model X was located driving there with a long tag Ingolstadt. Since the Audi Central Command are situated in Ingolstadt, these promoted hypothesis that Audi has gained a Tesla Model X as a component of its work for foster its own better electric SUV. Tesla created 507 Model X in the final quarters of 2015, of which 206 were conveyed to clients. Model X deals added up to 2040 units during the primary quarters of 2016. As per Tesla Motor, conveyances were lower than anticipated on the grounds that creation was affected by Series Model X provider parts deficiencies in the initial 2 months of 2016. And light of the fact that Tesla had been too driven in needing progressed highlights the main Model X was did not require recertification was made in April 2016. Deals during the second quarter of 2016 added up to 4,638 units in spite of the fact that creation was up 20% from the past quarter in quantity of vehicles on the way. Turned the finish of June 2016 was a lot higher than anticipated, addressing 35.8% of the quantity of vehicles conveyed in the quarter. Worldwide, deals passed the 10,000 unit mark in August 2016. An aggregate of 8,774 units were conveyed in the second from last quarter of 2016, adding up to 50,812 Model X vehicles sold during the initial 9 months of 2016. The Model X positioned as the top-selling model electric vehicle in Norway in September 2016. non-ethylenes when Volkswagen Golf nameplate enrollments are separated by the variations powertrain. The all-electronics Golf enlisted 392 unit, the Golf GTE model half-bred 358, and the interior bearing consulted Golf just 242 units. Hence, the Model X additionally positioned as the top selling new vehicle model in September 2016. Norway was world's first nation to have all electronics vehicle besting in new vehicle deals month of month positioning. Beforehand, the Model S had been the top selling new vehicle multiple times. The Nissan Leaf 2S. As per Tesla, with 5,428 units sold in the US in the second from last quarter of 2016, the Model X cut a 6% pieces of the pay of the extravagance SUV market fragment beating Purses and Land Rover. However, behind 7 SUV models fabricated by Motors, Mercedes, BMW, Cadillac, Volvo, Audi, and Lexus, with an expected 9,500 units conveyance overall during the final quarters of 2016. Worldwide deals in 2016 added up to 25,312 Model X vehicles, permitting the Model X to rank 7th among the world maintains smooth heat model vehicles. Supply it is first entries years of the lookout. As of December 2016, combined deals added up to 25,524 units since its origin. The United States it is its primary nation market with 18,214 units conveyed through December 2016, of which an expected 18,028 Model X vehicles were conveyed during 2016, making the electric SUV the third top of the line model electronic in the American market that year after the Tesla Model S, and the Chevrolet float enrollment in California added up to 6,289 units in 2016, addressing a 70% piece of the pay of the state's extravagance average size SUV session, positioning as the fifth smash hit vehicle in this class, which was driven by the Lexus RX with 20,070 units. Retail conveyances in China started in June 2016 and aggregate of 4,065 Model X vehicles were sold in 2016. Worldwide deals added up to around 11,055 units during the principal quarter of 2017, as serious creation deficiency of 100 kWh battery packs restricted the second quarter of 2017. Worldwide conveys the pretty mass 10,000 Model X vehicles with slight increment to 11,086 vehicles during the second from last quarter of 2017, an extra 30,000 120 units were conveyed in the final quarter of 2017 for absolute yearly conveyance of 46,535 units worldwide as of December 2017. Combined deals since communicament added up to around 72,059 units worldwide deals during the initial 9 months of 2018, added up to 34,630 units, permitting the Model X to pass the 100,000 achievement in September 2018 with 106,689 units conveyed since beginning on April 30,209. Bluebird is pursuing Tesla Model X for their exceptional taxi administration.